So this lab is, of course, central, vital for our research-centered undergraduate education. And I think it helps us in a couple of different ways. First, the lab provides the computers, which have specialized software, specialized programming platform, and big data tools that the student need to do their research.
A lot of the programs that we work with as astronomers do end up costing money. And they cost money and they're difficult to get on your own computer, especially if you have an ancient laptop like me. And these facilities just make it a lot easier for students and make it a lot more accessible for students who may not have as many resources.
Well, I would say that the students' use of this room and these computers is one of the biggest expansions I have seen in their ability to do science, the ability to do research. I don't think there's really any other part of their undergraduate experience that they get more value out of.
And if it wasn't for the lab, I wouldn't be able to conduct any of my research at all, actually.
The second role the lab plays is it provides the space for the students to interact with each other. And that promotes peer-to-peer collaboration, peer-to-peer mentoring, and it also fosters these peer communities, these supportive peer communities that have been shown to be incredibly important to increase STEM retention rate and STEM graduation rates.
I use Python a lot for my project. I don't really know a lot of Python. I'm not very good at coding in general, but a lot of people in the lab are. And so if I'm having trouble, I can just be like, hey, I don't understand what's going on, can you help me? And I can get an answer instantly.
So they're learning this skill of how to work with other people, and this is what brings them together. So the computers are important, the software is important, but the interaction is even more important.
Our program has doubled in size in the last 5 years. We have 129 astronomy majors. But our computer lab can only fit 18 students, which is 13% of our majors at a time.
There are lots of undergrads involved in research here in the department, and so they're all using this lab, and oftentimes there'll be meetings where groups will discuss the research, and if all of those overlap, then it gets very crowded in this room.
The astronomy department at UT is one of the largest in the nation. So if we want to keep our ranking and keep throwing out research at the high levels, then we really need to expand.
And so should we be fortunate enough to expand our lab, I think we would have one of the premier undergraduate research labs in the country.